So day 6 on the broccoli in the microbiology tin. So as I said before, there's some clumping here where I planted them quite densely, but that will grow up, it's not a problem. And I didn't water them too much yesterday because these containers hold the water more than the bamboo trays, but just feeling down there, it's okay, but I am going to give it a little, just half one side, and then tip it. So that means the water from where I watered is running through the bottom, so it goes through like that, and then just put it back in the light, and they're doing what they should be doing. You might think they don't look that healthy, but give it a few days and you'll be amazed at how much they come on in such a short time.